Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to episode something of Favorite Puppet Show. Yeah. Hello to Favorite Puppet Show with Cynthia and Ron. Yeah. And Ron because she's just anyway. Today, Cynthia and Ron are going to talk about a very awesome movie that's coming up. Cynthia, would you like to tell the audience what it is? Yes, I would. Okay then, let's do this, yeah? Okay, so I'd like to say that the awesome movie coming up is High School Musical 3. Yeah. Wait, stop. I haven't finished, yeah, okay. It's coming out on October 24th, and it's going to be the awesomest movie in the entire HSM series.
You actually like that movie?
Yeah.
Well, it's cheesy music, and it also has cheesy characters. Why do you like it?
Because it's awesome. Oh, yeah, I mean, true. The first movie may not have been that fancy, and in fact, I found out I only liked it for its songs. But the second movie was fantastic, and there's no way that the third movie won't be the best movie ever. It's going to rock, and if you don't think so, why don't you just watch it, and you will see that it will be awesome. Oh yeah.
If you want me to burn my eyes out.
Oh, okay, well, go ahead, okay? I mean, it wouldn't bother me that much, so just watch it, and you'll love it, yeah, okay? Now you can't do something you've never seen before, oh my god. So that's just get out of here and see it for yourself. I mean, you can't judge something that you never see. You can't judge a movie by its cover. I'm gonna keep rambling about stuff if you don't respond soon.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well.
Again. You just have to do that in every episode, don't you? Don't you?
Yeah? Okay.
Hey, you! No. Anyway, one last comment that Cynthia would like to say. High School Musical